So I go down to the potter's house. Well, I can sit in a chair. I can stand at a bar. I can do it wherever I am right there in the potter's house, for I found the potter. The potter is my imagination. And the potter is the Father, the Lord God Almighty. And I found him. So I don't have to go any place outside of where I stand to be in the potter's house. And now I will see what he's doing. So I see what I'm doing. What am I imagining? For that's what he's working on. So I went down to the potter's house and I simply saw what he was doing. What am I imagining? Is it a good image that I am forming of myself and my friends and things that I love in this world? Or am I critical? Am I simply making a mess of the talent? And I find quite often I am not using it wisely. I tell you that the worship of God is to use his gifts. That's the only way you really worship God. He gave you a talent. Well, the talent is himself.